Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Grow. English Grammar Test Part 11. What is your English level? Take this quiz to find out. What is the antonym of the word urban? The antonym of the word urban is rural. I saw gap old man walking in the park. The right answer is an. I saw an old man walking in the park. Complete the proverb. As you sow, so shall you gap. The correct answer is reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. What is the correct spelling of the word chocolate? The right answer is chocolate. One who cannot read and write. The correct answer is illiterate. The gap of stars looks beautiful at night. The right answer is galaxy. The galaxy of stars looks beautiful at night. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.